Hold on.
Okay, back at it again, guys. CNC Electronics, sales and repair. So now I got the Mosfets now. Yeah, I have a bunch of them. Anyway, I thought I did well, yeah. I have a bunch of them. So, alright, so I'm gonna get some. See, I think these are the same batch if I'm not wrong. Yeah. IRF 44, and so you guys. IRF 44. So I need 12. So 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 12. Whoa, that was 20, man. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Whoa, what a man. Pick up 12 just like that. 12 just like that. Alright, yes, you can stay there. So, what I didn't do before is clean. Damn. These holes for the. Damn, I didn't do that. For the Mosfet. Yeah, one of them is. I'm gonna have to get all the solder from the other side. Oh, wow. Come on. Alright. I have a few that I'm gonna have to try to remove the solder from the top because it's not letting me. Double-sided. This part is double-sided. One of the legs. I think that gauge drain source. The source legs. The source is connected. Double-sided. Come on, don't do that. Wow, really? Don't tell me. Oh man, almost there though. Put some fresh solder there. Think that will do the trick, maybe. Aha. Fresh solder. Come on. Let's try this one. Put some fresh solder there and see what's in here. Alright. This one is giving some. Oh man, I see why. It's a bunch of solder here. Good. Alright, put some fresh solder here. That should do the trick, maybe. Oh, here's it right here. Wow. Still gotta do it from the other side. Yeah, I'm gonna clean those solder pieces off. What? Why is this behaving like that? Good. So it's even that. This side, because the solder, a lot of solder right here, crumble up just like I don't know what. All right, good. This one is gonna give a little bit of a trouble the way it's at. Damn, I know it was gonna. Oh, yeah. Yeah. It wasn't that full. Why is it behaving like that? So guys, yeah. Do something, do that. Come on. Need a better one. This one is gonna be a little bit of a problem. Just as I said, a little bit of problem. Should not plug this one out as yet. Let me move on and come back to it. Good. Okay. Almost there, guys. Almost there. My. Let me plug this one in just in case on my other attempt. If it doesn't come, this thing don't clean like what it's supposed to. I have to reinforcement, send for reinforcement. Alright. Yeah, that's not looking too bad. Alright guys, I didn't clean the side of the circuit board right now. Just do it right now. Hold on, let me use this tissue out here to wipe this space away so it don't got my brush too messy. Some of the side of flux is a lot. Oh man. Alright. Still have some more there. It's not. Alright, we start replacing some of these Mosfets now, guys. Alright, so first I normally do this. Let me see. Oh, the other ones they were like something. That's fine. Let me see the distance they are from. Yeah, so I'm gonna bend all of them with this right there. Really, this board didn't. Right, I'll get the solder to do that with part of the work for me right there. So I don't want to make this video too long, guys, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna break it up in 3. I was supposed to do it in 2. My fault, I didn't clean those holes before. Don't want to make it too long, so what I'm gonna do a part 3. I'm gonna install these and then come back, cause and power it up, do a bench test so you guys can see if it works or not. So okay guys, CNC Electronics sales and repair. My name is Norton. Okay, so I'm gonna do a part 3 video of this video where I do the bench test and stuff. So I'm gonna install all this Mosfet and get back to you guys. I don't want to make the video too long.
Hold on.